Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Sagittarius. These cards for your relationship, guys. And these cards are for your career situation. And one card from the Oracle guidance. So that will be a general guidance that may answer some questions you have in your mind or some confusions you have. So this is the card, guys, for you all. So let's start with the general reading. We have 3 of Pentacles in reverse, Ace of Wands, and 9 of Pentacles. So Sagittarius, in your situation, guys, today, it may be in your career or personal life, you are seeing some kind of a fresh start, guys. Maybe in your career, maybe a second career path, or some choices for your career. So something taking you towards success or towards your goals, and you are using your skills and talents today. It may be a new career path, or it may be a new relationship, or you may see a fresh start in your relationship, already existing relationship. So you may have that freshness, some kind of new feeling in your life today, guys, Sagittarius. And you are happy, content, you have that emotional satisfaction today. Things are going in a very positive way in your situation, guys. But maybe for some of you, you have some kind of a weakness, or this person has some weakness. Maybe it may be some addictions or some sickness. That is what is worrying you today. But I see that even that is a very small, what to say, it's not something major, guys. It is something very small, not very important. So you have happiness, you are tasting success, and things are going in a very positive way for you all, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship first. We have 2 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, and Queen of Swords in reverse. So for your relationship, guys, Sagittarius, you are maybe trying to adapt, trying to be really flexible today, maybe trying to bring that understanding. Maybe this person you love, they are suffering from some illness, or we have the similar energies here, guys. So they may have some weakness, some addictions, something stressing them a lot, and you may what to say, for some of you, you may feel that in your situation you have lots of troubles and things are really bad. Maybe it is just your maybe you are imagining few things, guys, and that may be the reason you see that there are troubles in your situation. It may be because of that expectations you have for this love, for this person. You are expecting something, but this person is something different, so you feel really stressed and troubled. You have a wild imagination, guys. That may be the reason for troubles, or this may be their energy. They have some wild imagination about this love, about you. So when you don't meet up to their expectation, they feel really stressed, sad, and they feel that there are some problems in this love, in this connection. But in truth, everything is normal. But when their expectations are not met, they simply feel stressed, lost, and defeated, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So for some of you it may just be your imagination, and also there is some kind of a news reaching you. It may be something, maybe truth about this person, some kind of warning sign or something. It may be even be a rumor, but something is reaching you, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation, guys. We have the Magician in reverse, Page of Swords in reverse, and Lovers in reverse. So in your career situation, guys, you have a lot of stress and what to say, that pressure, guys, mental pressure, because maybe for some of you, you are doing certain things within a particular timeline. That is what is causing lot of stress for you, and maybe you have some fears. You feel that you are failing, maybe in your work, you are unable to complete, unable to do your duties well. So some kind of negative energy here, guys, in your career situation, Sagittarius. Some kind of troubles or some kind of stress because of that. And maybe for some of you, I see that there is something happening. It may be something like an an unexpected delay or suspensions of your projects, or some negative changes in your situation, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see, guys, what is the oracle guidance that will give us more clarity. So it is blessed. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in our situation, Sagittarius, maybe something unexpected or unearned is reaching us today. Maybe an unexpected gift. So sometimes in life we feel that certain things are happening just like some kind of a coincidence, and when that happens, we must have that humility, and feel that gratitude in our heart towards that situation, guys. And maybe sometimes we may not get what we like or what we desire. So we feel that we cannot do what we want to do today, and we have hit that rock bottom, unable to do anything. We need to understand that we need to surrender our expectations, guys. So universe is guiding us each and every moment of our life. So if we have that gratitude towards our situation, no matter what our situation is, we will be truly blessed, and we will be receiving blessings, guys, when we have that gratitude and happiness. No matter what, that is reaping more happiness, giving more happiness to us. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.